Abaribe, are we one Nigeria? No. Abaribe has Igbo man democratically elected as a president in Nigeria allowed to pick up or take his mandate towards getting to Aso Rock? No. What else do you want, Abaribe? You want us to stay together in a place where Igbo man is not needed? Are you needed in that house? Have you ever come up with one bill, just one bill? Fulani Hausa supported you. Can Kanuri man allow you with your bill to scale through one session? No. What are you talking about? Abaribe. Okay, it is now I know that money could go a long way to change people. Abaribe is trying to compel me to understand why money answered all things. Abaribe is giving out this suggestion anyway. That is to him. It is his own opinion. Then I have to tell him that it is too late. He should have worked hard and tell the people in the house that they should return the mandate given to Obi, so that we will begin to look at that side of building one Nigeria. Because I know if Peter Greg will be handling Nigeria for 8 years, everything will be well with Nigeria. Southeast, they will get what they deserve. Southeast deserve grading of River Niger. Southeast deserve not clearing all their goods from Apapa. There is Calabar there, there is River State there is Bayelsa. There are other seaports whereby the Igbo man should go and clear their containers. We don't need to clear at Apapa here and keep on spending money from checkpoint to checkpoint, up to 5,000 checkpoints from Lagos to Imo State, Anambra State, and the rest of the southeastern states. Abaribe should stick it right in his head. That's Abaribe. Abaribe, call Amuibi. Okay, Amuibe. See, let me tell you, we cannot stay together. Obi's mandate should have been given to him. What do we mean? What do I mean here? Igbo man is not allowed a space in Nigeria to breathe. We can't breathe. You think it's only George Floyd was not allowed to breathe? Igbo man is not allowed to breathe too. In Nigeria, we are not breathing.
Have you joined them? One, I cannot blame you because they said a tree cannot make a forest. A tree cannot make a forest. Yes, I know you try your best, but not this way, not this way again. How can you tell me? How can you utter this kind of word that said that the Biafra is going to? It's that they have given you that their water, that their water they used to drink. You have drained the water with them. You join them to criticize your people or to criticize what your people are fighting for. So let me tell you in Abaribe, praising Nigeria or not praising Nigeria, what will be will be. We cannot continue with this mess. How long will we continue with Nigeria? What things are not working? What will the world Nigeria not take care of the Easterners? They don't care about the Easterners. Of course you know. You know. And you never even know. But Nigeria do not have any good dream about the Igbos. They are the Easterners. You come back, you come out now, begin to make noise up and down. That Igbos should be so must surely repeat. Nigeria, whatever you saw against the Igbo man, against the Easterners, you will surely repeat. Call the son. He will surely repeat. Biafra or not yes. Freedom or not yes.
So nothing can divide, also nothing can deviate Biafra from happening.
I don't see anything. I don't see that. I don't see that. I never see that devil. He can try his best. The devil will try. They can try his best. But at the end of the day,
but do you not think that the senators,
they will fall.
But do you not think that the senators come together, they can make the Biafra realization come to pass? If the senators in the Senate, the Igbo senator, if they come together as one, you don't think that they can make it happen for the Biafrans?
The so-called senators, we don't have senators. Of course, they will not come. They will not come together. We need senator on Biafra land. The senator we need is senator of Biafra land. The traditional rulers of Biafra land, not the present one. Not the present traditional rulers we are looking about, we are seeing now. Serving Fulanis. They are all serving Fulanis. That's it for Fulanis. When they went there, they collect their luggage. They will come back and tell their people another story. Those people they have drank their water. Of course, I don't see them to come together and reason together about Biafra. No. All they are taking for is for their selfish interest. That's what they are taking for. Whether their place are dying, no, they don't care. Whether their place is alive, they don't care. All they are thinking about is their selfish interest, their pocket, their businesses, their political vision. That's what they are thinking. We don't have senators. Who senator will come together and reason together about Biafra? Biafra will later come to say. I don't see anyone. I don't see any of them. Now you get my point. I don't see any senator because Igbo man don't have leader. The Easterners don't have leader. The leader will have is the leader of Fulanis. The leader of the Igbos have is a servant of Fulanis. As I'm talking to you, Fulani are still controlling the Igbos. The Igbo governors, Fulani are still controlling them. That's why the former governor who won Imo State, as a governorship. End of the day, they turn it upside down. They use it to carry the power. They use the power, carry the power. Hand you over to their servant. Hand over to their servant. It's a servant that's controlling him, say, with the Fulanis. Because without them, without Fulani, they can never be there. Don't tell me we are no one. Without Fulani, you cannot win an election. Without Fulani, you cannot be in power. You tell me that Fulani, they are the owner of the country. They are the owner of Nigeria. They are the one to control you. They are the one to tell you where to be. Is that one country? The Fulani and the West, the Westerners, they are the owner of the country. So what are we talking? The governor and the Hanese, they are talking about. They are the under Fulanis. They are serving Fulanis, dancing for Fulanis. They are not dancing for their own people. No. What we need is a Biafra senators, Biafra governors. People who have a good agenda. Who think about their people, who know what is governance. That is what we need. All those people that are not a single leader, they are not a leader. We don't have leader. So, my brother, let me tell you. Hold on, come some. Whatever they like, whether they kill nnamdikanu or they don't kill nnamdikanu, on Biafra will surely stand. Nothing else. The struggle has continued because the struggle When we are suffering at the hand of Nigeria, and you also you are telling the Igbos to bless Nigeria, that we should work with Nigeria. What are you talking about? As like you have drawn the water, their water, they have given you the water. You have drawn them. That is why you come out to lament that kind of this kind of ways. How long will we continue working with Nigeria? At the end of the day, we are not benefiting anything from Nigeria. I mean, the Easterners are not benefiting anything from Nigeria. Where the intimidation to intimidate Igbos? Okuchi, you are aware. How Nigeria intimidate Igbos? He made the Easterners. And let me ask you, tell me the single thing that the federal government of Nigeria has done on Igbo land. Tell me any single project in Igbo land. After Nigeria Biafra war, is there any single project done by federal government of Nigeria in the East? Any single project that you are asking Igbo to bless in Nigeria? Who can continue with this mess? You can join them. You can join Nigeria. You can be in Nigeria. The Biafra will surely come to stand. Whether you like it or not, whether you bless in Nigeria or you bless Biafra, we don't care. If you like it, go with your Nigeria, the Biafra will stand. Because the intimidation is too much. The intimidation is too much. The marginalized is too much. That's why you are crying. That's why we Igbos are crying, shouting that enough is enough with all this mess. How long will we continue blessing in Nigeria? How long? 50-something years we are blessing Nigeria. Let's be one, but Nigeria do not care about us. You come out and say you should bless Nigeria. And you never, let me tell you, what we are clamoring for is freedom. We want to separate from Nigeria. Let's go and build our country. Let's go and build Biafra. Build the Igbo land. Let's go and build Biafra. Stop all those. No, you people to stop all those. You cannot help you people. Are you trying to dance for Nigeria? When you dance in the end of the day, they will dump you. Like others. How them dump others. Somebody will trust you as a woman that we love in Igbo land. And now you come back to bless Nigeria. You come out now to bless Nigeria. You abandon where you come from. So nnamdikanu should remain in DSS custody. Roti. That's your prayer. It should remain there. While their people are free. Their people will commit whatever they like to commit. End of the day, they will free them. The North will commit, they will free them. The West will commit. End of the day, they will die. They will die. They will die. They will die the matter and release their brothers. But the country Igbo man, the Igbos always quite different. The Igbo man is the worst enemy to Nigeria. Nigeria does not have any good interest about the Easterners. So what are we talking? They don't have any good interest about the Easterners. They only give you a little for what you have and what everybody, what belongs to everybody, the whole Nigeria. Share by the West and the North. And you are there telling us that we should bless Nigeria. How long will we continue to bless Nigeria? When we are dying silently. Some people are smiling, some people are suffering, they continue to smile. They are suffering and smiling. They cannot be able to tell the Nigeria the truth. They will see red instead of black. They will say black instead of blue. How long will we continue like this? Look at how Nigeria is messed up. How they mess Nigeria up. I have told them Nigeria has dead already. Nigeria has buried already. It's meant to smelt Nigeria. That is what it meant this country. Hey, you in Abaribe, go with your Nigeria. If it does what you decide, go with your Nigeria and allow Biafra to be. What you are clamoring for is it's freedom. Freedom that you are crying. That's what Igbos are crying for. We are no longer crying for Nigeria. No. Because at the end of the day, they will mess you. That's why they mess others. Do you hear him talk? Do you hear Joe Bokwe talk again? It's like they have bet in one side. And what of the rest? People that dance for them, end of the day, they will end of the day, they will bend them one side. Hence we come to Igbo. I said Nigeria belongs to two regions. Nigeria belongs to only two regions, the west and the north. They are the ones who occupy everything that we have in this country. They are the ones benefiting everything. So what are we talking? It's clear for everybody knows that this is the true one. It's clear. The Igbo man, they will give them little. Whenever they like, they will fix Igbo man. Come to apartment, you will not see Igbo man. In a reasonable place. Where they will put Igbo man is going to go and die there. That's where they will fix Igbo man. Come to Ambassador, look at Ambassador. Have you heard that Igbo man become ambassador to German? So what are we talking? One Nigeria. We only give Igbo man ambassador to Niger or Chad. That's where they will fix Igbo man. Oh, then. But in north and the west, the only one occupying the Western Europe, the whole Europe, the west and the north, as ambassador. They will only fix Igbo man in Africa here. Chad and Niger, that's where they fix Igbo. And you tell me we are one Nigeria. So let me tell you, whether you like it or not, what you are fighting for, what you are clamoring for, is freedom. The mess is too much. We have endured enough. We have endured enough with Nigeria. Push, they do not recognize us. End of the day, they do not recognize Igbos. One Nigeria is a scam. One Nigeria is a scam. It's an illegal. It's by force. After Nigeria, the package Igbo on one side. The package the Eastern as one side. What we have is they package everything to the west, to the north. The way the resource is coming from, they abandoned it. They abandoned that side. Everything with the north, everything belongs to the west and the north. I mean the west and the north. Everything belongs to them. And we are one Nigeria. What we are crying for is freedom. Freedom. With freedom, there we stand. The freedom we stand. Give us Biafra. Biafra we need. We don't need all those with propaganda. All those with noise. Now just people just making noise day by day. We don't need it. What we need is Biafra. Leave my brother alone. Leave nnamdikanu alone. Leave nnamdikanu alone. You have leave others. People have leave others. You have free others. I still leave nnamdikanu over there. See that Igbos will be happy with you people.